listening so hollow, but everything's so loud. I thought it was you when the flames of life were raging. I thought I heard you when the boisterous winds were blowing. I was sure it was you, rocking the world around me. But it wasn't you. Not fire, not quaking, not stormy winds blowing. And I'm worn from chasing echoes that never spoke your name. Quiet the noise, Lord, the fire, the wind, the shaking, all these distractions that compete for your voice within. Quiet the noise and let me hear you speaking once again. Quiet the noise and let faith arise instead, so I can win. I ran toward the fire, thinking power meant your presence. I stood in the shaking, thinking movement meant you were near. But my soul stayed restless and my heart stayed empty, till I stopped striving and finally landed here. And that's when the chaos faded and peace called out my name. Quiet the noise, Lord, the fire, the wind, the shaking, all these distractions that compete for your voice within. Quiet the noise and let me hear you speaking once again. Quiet the noise and let faith arise instead, so I can I was never in the chaos, I was never in the fear. I don't shout to prove I'm present, I whisper so you'll draw near. Be still, my child, and know me. I've been with you all along. I don't compete with the noise, I wait till everything else is gone. I finally found you in the still small voice within. Not in fire, not in earthquakes, not in rushing violent winds. I finally found you where my striving had to end. In the quiet, in the stillness, that's where faith begins again. Quiet the noise, Lord, the fire, the wind, the shaking, all these distractions that compete for your voice within. Quiet the noise and let me hear you speaking once again. Quiet the noise and let faith arise instead, so I can win. Still my heart, still my mind. I don't need a sign, I just need your voice. Quiet the noise, quiet the noise. I hear